dear buddies, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, then this is Mommy, your beauty guide. One of my subscribers, Rabasti Acharya, commented that she is a working woman. She has to go out every day with a mask, but whenever she removed it, her makeup gets vanished from the edges of the mask. So she requested me for a video tutorial how to wear makeup under a mask. So today's video is about tips and tricks to wear makeup under mask. Definitely give it a try. Follow all the steps and tricks that I'm gonna share in this simple tutorial to make it long lasting and sweat proof. Let me know in the comment section if it really works for you, but please follow all the steps, then give a feedback. If you skip any step, your makeup will not last for a whole day. I have already done my eyebrows earlier so that I can show you only the makeup base. If you want an eyebrow tutorial, let me know in the comment section. Before starting the makeup, you need to do this step to make it perfect and long lasting. Tips number 1. Cleanse or scrub your face 30 minutes before the makeup, as your skin needs time to cool down and you need a clean and oil-free face so that your makeup can last all day. Here I am using my DIY scrub for sensitive skin. If you wanna know the recipe of this DIY scrub, click on the I button above. There you will get the video link of what you can use on sensitive skin. After rinsing your face thoroughly, dab some ice cubes on your skin. Ice cubes cool down your face and shut the open pores and decrease the chances to get oily skin faster. Tips number 3 is apply a lightweight or oil-free moisturizer in a very little amount. If you have extremely oily skin, use it only on your under eyes. If you don't like a moisturizer, you can apply it only on your dry areas. Tips number 4, if you think you have to be exposed in direct sunlight, then you can use a sunscreen. But if you are using a base that has enough SPF for you, then you can skip this step. Here I have used Attitude Sunscreen Lotion by Amway, as I have normal to dry skin, so I'm using both moisturizer and sunscreen. After applying all these products, I have waited for 20 minutes so that my skin can absorb all these. I'm starting the long lasting base with the One Illusion Skin Concealer by Oriflame. I'm using this because this is a lightweight concealer. If you have huge dark spots on your skin, you can use Maybelline Instant Age Divine Concealer. Don't use any other concealer like Maybelline Fit Me, as this has thick consistency, so there is a huge chance that this kind of concealer will come out with the mask. And the tips number 5 is use a very little amount of this concealer, dot it on your skin, use a beauty blender to blend, don't use your hand. If you have extreme oily skin, you can use toner instead of moisturizer or a gel based sunscreen. Here I have used this Amway sunscreen because this is very lightweight on skin. I'm using this almost from 2015, but remember, use a very little amount of all the products. If you use huge amount of all these products, your makeup will not be long lasting and come off in the mask. If your sunscreen has sticky consistency, just skip the sunscreen part or apply the sunscreen only on your forehead, as that part faces the direct sunlight when you wear a mask. So use only beauty blender to blend the concealer. If you rub it with your hands, the product that you have already applied on your face will be replaced by the concealer and the skin get irritated. So don't use your fingers or brushes to apply the concealer. Use only beauty blender. You can see that the concealer is blended beautifully. Now see your face. If you need any extra coverage on some of the areas or black spots, then dot the concealer again on that part and blend it with beauty blender. The One concealer by Oriflame has a pink undertone, though this concealer is not in my shade or undertone, but it looks really refreshing when I wear it as a daytime makeup. It gives a sheer glow and it's really long lasting. Wait for 5 minutes to set, then apply any of your favorite compact. Lightly dab it with a powder brush, not a powder puff. Here I am using Maybelline Super Fresh Compact. If you use a powder puff, the concealer will stick to the puff and its coverage will be lost. Remember, don't use any powder foundation or loose powder to set the concealer, as this is a daytime makeup. So powder foundation or loose powder is quite heavy for the daytime everyday makeup. Now the last step or the most important step is to spray water on your face. Pour some water on a spray bottle and spray twice or thrice on your face. You have to spray only water, pure water, not any kind of makeup setting spray. Makeup setting spray will make your face hydrated, and after 2 to 3 hours your skin will start producing oil. So only water, not makeup setting spray. Remember, spray a generous amount of water so that your skin can drench in this. You can roll a damp beauty blender over your face. It will pick up the excess powder without disturbing the concealer underneath. Or you can wait 10 to 15 minutes. When the water is completely dried on your skin, you can wear your mask. Wear your mask gently and lightly. If you forcefully wear your mask, even God can't save your makeup. So be caring towards your makeup and see the beautiful result. Here I'm showing you two different masks so that you could understand that after wearing two different masks made by two different materials, my makeup is intact, not faded by any of these. This is a black cotton mask. Though black color absorbs all the makeup, but still it can't remove my makeup because I have locked it by spraying water. Now this is a surgical mask, very popular and really effective mask for preventing COVID-19 virus. You can see there is no lines where the edges of mask lies. So this surgical mask also can't remove my makeup. Here I am wearing the mask again after applying lipstick and removing the mask to show you everything is in its own place. Guys, I was really amazed by the outcome. It stayed up to 4 hours on my skin. Please try it whenever you go out. Follow all the steps and tricks. Give your feedback on the comment section. I will love to listen to you. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members, and subscribe to my channel. If you have any queries about this video or any video suggestions, please let me know in the comment section. I will surely reply you all. Thanks for watching the whole video. Goodbye.